Hello everyone, today I'm going to be telling you about an auction find. I purchased a pancake air compressor. It's a Bostic, paid $15 for it, but it doesn't run. And so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out why it doesn't run. I believe it's going to be something simple. So let's just take a look at it and dive in and see what we find. Alright, so here's the compressor right here. 2 horsepower, 6 gallon. It's not an expensive one. It's probably $129 if you buy it new. But it's got a problem and it won't start up. It just hums when you plug it in. So we're going to see what we can find out about it. Okay, see here, right there. Gotta find some sockets. That looks like about a 10 millimeter, so we're going to give it a shot and see what we find out here. Yeah, there we go. Somebody has had this apart before, so we know they've been messing around in here. Let's see. Okay. Here we have it. Has the capacitors that mount on a bolt up here. So, oh hey Sylvester, you come to see what's going on? That's my buddy Sylvester. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Okay, we don't want to lose these screws. We'll rather the nuts. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, there's the problem right there. Let's see if we can pull this off here. I don't know if we can get that out of there or not. Oh, there we go. And don't know if you can see it, but there's the problem. This has gotten so hot that the guts have just melted out of it. So we'll be going online and purchasing replacement capacitors. Now, I could just replace this one, but we don't know if this other one's bad or not. So may as well go ahead and replace it. They're not terribly expensive. It is, well, I can't read it. I'll have to do a little research and see what it is. Maybe this one's a little better. Let's see what we got here. $250 volts, 30 microfarads. I'll just look these up and I'll find a direct replacement from either Bostic or online at Amazon or eBay or something like that, and we'll see what happens. Alright, it's been a couple of days and we found these on Amazon and they're direct replacements. See if I can get one open here. looks like the same thing. They're basically the same thing. So we're going to go ahead and put these on and see what happens. Let's go ahead and get the other one opened up here. And there's the other one. And now I've got the old ones here. We're going to keep the nut and washer. Alright, there, we'll go ahead and put that on. Yeah, that's junk right there. There's no way that's going to work. So they'll just go in the trash. Alright, so let's see if we can turn this around here where we can get a little better view. Okay. So these we'll just go in here and tighten on. Don't have to tighten them too tight. You don't want to break the casing, it's just plastic. And there's a lock washer. You can't put the lock washer on the back side, it has to go on this side. It keeps it from vibrating loose. So we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Now notice that they have 4 terminals on either side, and that's perfectly okay. You just have to keep in mind that they work in parallel, so you'll have the 2 main ones will plug in to one side, and then you'll have the jumpers that jumper from this one over to this one, and we'll split them. Not that it matters, they're on the same lug. Alright, so there we have that. Everything is together. And now we'll see if the thing fires up. Got to get it a little closer to the outlet. Okay, it's all plugged in, and we'll go ahead and turn the valve off. And let's see what happens. Works like it should. Overall, I'd say this is a pretty good deal. It's now working. So we're going to call it good. I do believe that this was a successful purchase. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the cover and everything back together so this thing will be ready to go. And there we have it. Good to go. Thank you for tuning in and taking a look at the repair of this compressor. It's going to come in handy. I've got a great big one, but I like to tote it around a lot. This one's going to work great because it's small. It'll be able to be carried around, especially doing things like light trim and just some light framing. So this is going to be a perfect one to use, and just show what you can find if you just pay attention at some of these yard sales and flea markets and auctions, which is where I picked this one up. Nobody seemed to want it because, well, it didn't work, but it works now. So I think it was a good buy. The capacitors were a total of $4. That was including shipping from Amazon Prime, and solved all the problems with this particular unit. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos. Check out the $5,000 house. It's kind of what spurred this on. Bought a house for $5,000, and I'm in the process of renovating it to turn it into a rental property. Go ahead and check it out. There's a whole playlist of several videos, start to finish, and it's come a long way. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. Thank you. See you later.